Good morning. There's this disclaimer. This is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment and informational purposes. Let's look at the cues. Here's 619.30 to 618, 619. Right in this area is about where I would expect it to drop more, or to hold actually if it drops. We'll see. The 5 MA is right here. 622, 50, 60, right in that range. So I'd like to be above this blue line by close. We'll see how we do today. I'm hoping we drop and then rip back up, but we'll see. Yeah, obviously we gap down. So I still think we fill this gap eventually, but we'll see. I don't think this is quite done dropping yet. I think it wants to drop one more time and then rip up. Rip up is in quotes. I don't know if it's necessarily going to rip, but start to go back up. We'll see how we hold up. Other sectors today, retail's getting slaughtered because of Abercrombie. Abercrombie's down 17% this morning. And that was nice to wake up to for me. I would expect us to hold around $100 here, but we'll see. We'll see what they want to do with this. That's just affecting all retail. Gap selling, Victoria's Secret selling, Under Armour selling. It's just affecting all my retail stocks. New tech looks fine. I mean, a lot of them are hitting resistance, so we're going to get some natural pullbacks, but some of them are looking good. Like Sound looks good. AMPX looks good. That's lithium. Rocket Lab still looks good to me. We'll see how this top the other day works out. But I don't think that was a top. I think we're still pushing up here. Iron, I would like to see continue to climb. Quantum looks good to me. Ionic is down a bit, but where's Qubits? Qubits looks good. QNTM, this up 8%. Yeah, this one looks like a runner again. Go out to a larger time frame. Yeah, this one looks like it's gonna spike again. And my target for this one is right around 20, just under 20 on a pop, probably 18 or so. But we'll see. Some of my new positions, AISP, started a position in here. Let's go to the daily. I think we're starting to put in a bottom for a little bit of a turnaround here. The other one is DDDD. And I think this one has another drop in it and then another lift. We'll see. See, this didn't have a bearish divergence on that peak from this peak. So I don't think this is resetting the cycle. I think this is just pulling back to go up again. But we'll see. You never know with these. And this one, as long as it holds 132, which is that's a dollar drop. So you could go closer, like as long as it holds 175. That's a little better. Or you could even do the 5 MA here. What's that at? 195. But this one, yeah, I would expect it to go to 340 or so before a more serious pullback. Or maybe it loses that. I don't know. It can do whatever, but I think it's getting ready to bounce. And on a larger scale, this held this low back here. So we never broke this. So that tells me that this has more upside over this stupid target of 97. And I don't know why or how. But as long as we don't break that low, this is primed to go up. And I think this is the new low here, 132. So that's why I would set my stop there. All right. Market. I'll just go over OIH real quick because this is the sector that I want to be in for the next 10 years, maybe more. We'll see. But this is oil servicers. This is your Schlumberger, formerly Schlumberger, SLB. This is like 25% of the holdings almost. BKR, Baker Hughes. And the reason why you want this sector with these companies, Halliburton, these are the companies that are going to rebuild all these countries because they're going to rebuild their oil fields and their infrastructure for their profit. So that's why you want to be in OIH. All right, let's go see where the Qs are holding up before we close this. Let's go. Yeah, we're hanging out below the 5 MA here. So yeah, I expect us to pop down and then get some support here. But we'll see. You got to watch that. If we start losing support, then you don't want to be in the big cap tech. All right. Be safe, be wise, and as always, good luck.